Jiangxi Jinbai Chung Hardware Products Company Limited, established in 2013, is located in the south of Huangbu Industrial Park, Shangyou County, Ganzhou City, Jiangxi Province, with convenient transportation and developed logistics. Is one of the largest manufacturers of window, door, and furniture accessories in China. Our company specializes in the design, production, and sales of window, door, and furniture accessories, such as sliding rollers for windows and doors, window braces, wardrobe door rollers, window and door hinges, and other metal stamping parts. Our factory covers more than 10,000 square meters, equipped more than 100 sets imported processing equipment, such as automatic punching machines, polishing machines, CNC lathes, injection molding machines, laser cutting machines, bending machines, drilling machines, grinding machines, riveting machines, automatic feeders, packing machine, etc. We provide full ranges of solutions for commercial, household decoration, and engineering projects. In order to develop overseas markets, our company has specially set up international department in Ganzhou International Enterprise Center. Our products have been sold to more than 30 countries and overseas areas, which are highly praised and welcomed by our customers. We are looking forward to cooperating with customers and agents from worldwide.